Hey guys, welcome to QLinks, your trusted source for affiliate marketing insight and passive income strategies. Today we are covering top fashion affiliate programs in India for 2025 that will help you monetize your fashion content, whether you are a blogger, Instagram creator or YouTuber. Plus stick around till the end for two exciting bonus programs you shouldn't miss. India's online fashion market is booming, making fashion affiliate marketing one of the hottest ways to earn passive income. No inventory, no shipping headaches. Just promote products you love and earn a commission when people buy through your link. Let's jump straight into the best programs to get started. Here are the top 15 fashion affiliate programs in India you can join right now. Number 1 is Myntra. India's fashion giant Myntra offers up to 7.5% commission, tons of brands and frequent sales. But beware, the competition among affiliates is high. Number 2, we have Marks and Spencer. The British fashion brand brings premium clothing with 9% commission, trusted name and quality. Higher price tags may reduce conversions. At number 3, we have Adidas. Perfect for sports and fitness lovers, on 9.75% per sale. Pro, strong brand value and has affiliate programs for Hong Kong, Indonesia, Singapore, Malaysia and Thailand also. Con, expensive for budget shoppers. At number 4, we have Skybags. Promote trendy luggages and backpacks with Skybags and get flat rupees 210 commission on every order. Niche demand but not an everyday purchase. At number 5, we have Bummer. India's bold innerwear brand offers a whopping 10.5% commission, great payouts but a limited product range. At number 6, we have Biba. The ethnic wear favorite, Biba pays 9.45%, big hit with women but may not engage with male audiences. At number 7, we have Bliss Club. Bliss Club targets fitness-loving women with quality active wear, which gives you 11.55% commission, but the niche market limits reach. At number 8, we have Snitch. For trendy menswear, Snitch offers up to 5% commission, perfect for targeting Gen Z men but not ideal for female audiences. At 9, we have Bakabuchi, affordable footwear brand with 6.3% payouts, trendy but lesser known than giants like Adidas or Puma. At number 10, we have Jiva. Promote elegant sterling silver jewelry, earn up to 10.69%, but the premium pricing might not attract bargain hunters. At 11, we have Titan. India's top watch brand, Titan gives 5.25% commission, well known, trusted, but luxury pricing limits the mass market. At 12, we have Crocs. The world's comfiest shoes offers 5.25%, loved by all ages, but fashionistas may not always go for it. At 13, we have Daily Objects. Trendy tech accessories and bags for your work fashion. Daily Object pays flat rupees 172.50 on every order. Creative and colorful designs, but tech gear isn't fashion's core. At number 14, we have Lenskart. Eyewear giant Lenskart offers flat rupees 73.5 per sale. Highly trusted, but people take time to decide on eyewear, so conversions may be slower. Lastly, we have at number 15, Jaipur. Promote exquisite handcrafted ethnic wear with Jaipur, earn 9% commission, but premium pricing means it's for a selected audience. And now, as promised, two amazing bonus programs you should definitely explore. One is Ajio Fashion Affiliate Program. Ajio by Reliance, India's fastest growing fashion portal featuring both Indian and global brands. Commission rates up to 9%. And why to promote Ajio? It offers the broadcast fashion catalog in India, hosts mega sales like Ajio Big Bold Sale and Ajio All Star Sale, plus super fast delivery in metro city. But there's a catch. Cons, only a one-day cookie window and a lower validation rate at 54%. So make your promotion count fast. At number 2, we have Shein India Affiliate Program via Ajio. This fast fashion favorite is already viral again thanks to Instagram and YouTube hauls. Why promote Shein on Ajio? Huge pent-up demand and post-return. Super affordable pricing for India's Gen Z audience, perfect for fashion, lifestyle and haul content creation. But be mindful, cons, controversies still surround product quality and fast fashion sustainability issues. Plus, Shein in India is currently available only on Ajio. Want a shortcut to join most of these affiliate programs without signing up for each separately? Use QLinks, India's top affiliate platform where you can access these offers with a single account. Check the description below for quick links. So that's a wrap for fashion affiliate programs in India for 2025. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to QLinks for more such affiliate marketing tips. And if you want to know more about affiliate marketing, we have created a playlist just for you. Link is in the description or in the I button. We'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye.